Hello, everyone. I am Leola, your Trichology practitioner, your hair loss specialist. So, we're going to talk about today about water. Okay, we're going to go through some series of sessions dealing with different type of alopecia. So, we're going to talk about water today and what it does for the body. Okay, let's listen up. So, water it is the ability to neutralize the acid and the alkaline that's actually in the body. Water is a neutral of a pH, typically around 7. So if you're going to do an alkaline water, it will be above 7. Below 7 is going to be more of to acidic. Mostly they'll just have alkaline water is what you will be drinking. Or if you do tap water, it's going to be a 7. Some can be actual 5 or a 6. It depends on where you guys are living at to determine what the pH of that water is. But let's get into what water is going to do to the body, okay? One thing about water is composed 70% of your body is going to be water. 75% of the brain is in water. Definitely in water. And what it does, the water also carries nutrients and oxygen to the cells. And you wonder why your skin is so dry, your scalp is so dry, because you are dehydrated. And so what you definitely have to do is make sure you're drinking enough water to hydrate your body from head to toe. The number today is you're going to take your body weight divided by 2. That's how much water you should be intaking every day. I know it's a big goal. If you are 200 pounds, you're supposed to drink 100 ounces of water a day. If you're saying I only drink 32 ounces, start out with 32 ounces. Then the following week, add another 8 ounces to that, which is going to make that 32, and 8 going to make 40 ounces. And you drink 40 ounces a day for 7 days. And then on the 8th day, you add another 8 ounces. You do that consecutively until you get to 100 ounces of water a day. Then your body is hydrated from head to toe. Also, what water does, it moistures oxygen for breathing. Water moistens the oxygen that you're breathing in. It moisturizes that. Some of y'all did not know that. But water moistens the oxygen that you are breathing. It helps convert food into energy. It helps converts food into energy. So drinking water after you eat converts the food into energy. It protects and cushions the vital organs. It protects and cushions the vital organs. So you guys definitely have to drink enough water to make sure that the organs is hydrated and it cushions it. It surrounds the body. It surrounds the organs that is inside of your body. Also help the body absorb the nutrients, which is dealing with the food. And so it converts the food into energy. And what that does, it helps the body to absorb the nutrients from the food. It accounts for 22% of bones. 22% of the bone is of the water. It also cushions the joints. When your joints are hurting, it's because you're not drinking enough water. Imagine you have a plant and it definitely needs water for it to grow. When you do not water your plants, what will start happening? The leaves start going down. They start turning discolored because it's lacking the moisture, the nutrients from all the soil that you put in with that plant, because it's lacking of the water to break all of that down to get to the root. Make sense? Also, it regulates the body temperature. So, just like exercising, You're working all day, you're working out 30, 45 minutes a day. You get tired, you get exhausted, you start sweating a lot, you're getting hot, you're perspiring. The water regulates the body temperature. The water regulates the body temperature. It also makes up 83% of the blood. You see how important water is to the body? So how much water do you drink today? I drink water today, but I need to drink more of it. That is something that a lot of us lacking. It's the simplest thing to do, but over time I've seen throughout with patients, it's the hardest thing to do. So make sure that you are drinking enough water to stay hydrated, moistens your organs, brings nutrients to the body, breaks down the food to give you energy for you. Also, water also help prevent some cancers that has been projected into the body. When you're lacking of water, everything starts falling apart. Everything starts, because now it's in survival mode. The oxygen is not moistened anymore. The organs don't have no protection of absorption or cushion. You start to get delirious in the mind because there is not enough water that's housing the brain. You start scratching your skin because it's so dry, start getting scaly. Your feet start peeling more because of dehydration. You'll get more bone joints in the bones because of the dehydration. It's a rotting of your body when you don't drink enough water. Did y'all learn something? So, recapping of what I just did. Half of your body weight is how much water you need to drink a day. Start out with what you're doing. If it's 32 ounces, that's fine. Even if it's just 8 ounces. Start out with that 8 ounces. You have to build the strategy of that every day to reach the goal. Get a chart. 30, 31 days, 8 ounce, 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 7 days of 8 ounces. The second week, 16 ounce, 16 ounce, 16 ounce, 16 ounce, 16 ounce, 16 ounce. The third week, 24 ounce, 24 ounce, 24 ounce. You see that rhythm? 24. Your times it by 8 every time. You're adding 8 to it. The fourth week, 32, 32, 32, 32, 32. And before you know it, you have trained the body to yearn for the water without you even knowing that's what you're doing. Everything is teaching the body. If you don't teach the body gonna teach you. So, hope this guys help you guys about the water intake and how much you need to have. So, just one thing I want to always let you guys know, we are all eagles, continue to soar. And remember, whatever, regardless of what the day brings to you, you are still in control of how this day is going to affect you. Let's get your water. Click the link, share, comment on this video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Tag someone who needs to hear this about the water. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you all so much for watching our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate all you all for tuning in and being educated on things that's in with health and wellness. If you know anyone who's needs this type of information, share it with them. We really appreciate it. Have an awesome day. And regardless of what today brings to you, you are in control of how this day is going to affect you. Talk to you later.